I want to ask you a question. Do you have a Facebook account? If your answer is yes, so you already won the first part, okay? You just stay tuned because I'm going to show you how you can make money with your Facebook account today. How you can get paid just for likes, all right? You get paid just for likes again and again. In this matter, I'm going to show you. Don't worry, we are not doing any affiliate marketing. We are not selling any product, and this is a very easy method to make money on the internet. All you need to do is follow my strategy exactly how I'm going to show you in today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I do create video every day that show different methods to earn money, to make this money on the internet. So you don't want to miss that, and also make sure you press that bell icon so each time when I create new videos like this, you'll be the first one to get notified. Give this video a thumbs up. This is what is going to make me know that you are enjoying my video and you're getting more value on my content. And if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. I will go through it personally and I will reply to your comment as soon as I read your comment. All right, so with that being said, let's jump into my computer. I'm going to show you now the method that I'm talking about. This is a brand new method. I've never talked about this. I've never talked about this before. I never showed you this type method before, and with this method you can use it to earn money when you follow the skills I'm about to show you. This step is going to be broken into 3 steps. The step we're going to take is going to be 3 steps. First of all, we need this first platform, which is likeforlike.org. Okay, what this platform do is that you are going to like others people post, okay, and with this you get credit and you can then leave your own post to get more like for it. All right, it's my Facebook post or Instagram post, but we will still jump to that in a moment. Okay, so and the second part is that we are going to look for a offer, okay, and the third part is that no, it's not how you really know it. It's going to be different. We're not going to talk about affiliate marketing here. We're not going to sell any product here. Okay, so third step is that we're going to be posting on our Facebook page, but I will soon go to that details in short time. Okay, just make sure you stick around on this video so you can understand exactly how this method is going to work for you. Okay, and if it works for you, don't forget to leave a like on this video because I do appreciate it. This will make me know that you are enjoying my content and you're getting value on it. Okay, and if you have any question, just feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will reply you as soon as I read your comment. Okay, like I say, we need this first platform called likeforlike.org. All you just need to do is to come here to register, all right, and click on the register, yeah, which is going to bring us to this page here. Okay, we're just going to enter our user's name and we're going to form a password. Okay, we're going to retype a password for confirmation, and after that we're going to enter our email address and retype it once again. Okay, and after that you can just go here and click on the I agree, or you just want to, or if you want to check the terms and condition, okay, go through the terms and condition, and then after when you finish done with that, you can come back and click on I agree. Okay, and the next part is that you want to verify that you're not a robot. You will click here and verify that you are not a robot, and after that one you're ready to submit your form, okay, your sign up form. And after submitting the sign up form, you're going to get a verification link on your email, at which you're going to go to your email and verify it. Okay, and after verifying that, you can come to login, okay, and click enter your username and your password, okay, and it's going to bring you to this page like this. So I will soon show you how this platform really works. So the next platform we're going to need is afplus.com. all All right, it's called afplus.com. This platform is a CPA platform. That means CPA means cost per action. This is very different as affiliate marketing. Okay, you just want to come here and let's search. We search for. Okay, this is a cost per action website. Okay, this means you have so many offers here that you can drive people into, and people just need to take action, as the word say, CPA, cost per action. So when people, maybe for example, when you direct people to a website from this platform to just take action and sign up, you will get paid for it. But in the moment, I will soon go to that. Okay, so you want to come, after opening that, you want to come here, and then what we want to do is that we want to come here and we're going to search for survey. Okay, we're going to look for a service offer. There's this one I would like to use. So this is it here. Okay, why survey offer is that it's a win-win part. We want to drive people to a survey that when they sign up for this survey, we will get $1.06. Okay, this is a cost per action. As you can see, this offer is open for 253 countries worldwide. Let's click on it to show you which countries allow for this. So I mean, it is worldwide: Greece, Gabon, Namibia, Africa, Nigeria, and so on, like that. As you see, we have 253 countries here that are eligible. The payout is $1.06. Okay, when you like this offer, just need to come and join the network. Okay, so you can get you can get the affiliate links for this offer, and this offer is, I mean, this link is then, I will show you what we're going to do in a second with this. Just stay tuned. I will show you how you're going to use this link and gain offer, and drive people to this offer, and you will get $1.06 per person that takes action. I mean, the action is that you're going to sign up. When somebody sign up to your link, and you get paid for it. All right, that is why they call it a cost per action. Okay, the next place we're going to be posting all this our links is Facebook. So we need a Facebook to start this method. If you don't have a Facebook, you can go and open one. It might be a personal account, so but I would recommend for you people to open another Facebook account for promoting links like this. After then, we come here. First of all, this is what we're going to post. Okay, we want to post then on Facebook something like this: making money on the internet feels so amazing. Okay, if anyone needs some side income, I recommend signing up to this free website. It's free and really easy. Okay, and then you will put your affiliate links here. Let's now go back to likeforlike.org. You gain credit on this platform just for liking others people post. Okay, and if you want to do that, you just need to come to social media exchange. Okay, as you see, you can go, you have a Facebook like, a Facebook follower. There are different things that you can do here, but let me just show you an example how it works. Okay, you just go here to Instagram likes. All right, let's click on Instagram likes to gain more credit, because this credit is what we're going to use to for our own posting. But in a minute, I'm going to show you what we need our credit for. Okay, so to get more credit, you just want to go to we click on like. All right, then it's going to pop up a Instagram post from someone. Okay, we just need to double click it, and this double click means, yeah, we just need to like it, and then we close it. As you see, we will get the credit here. Okay, paid. This credit is what we're going to use for our post. All right, so we now go back to this CPA offer. Okay, let's assume we already joined the network and we've get the link for this offer. They have so many offers on affplus.com, affplus.com. Okay, there are many more offers here. on this platform. Why I choose survey is that so it can be a win-win. It is most likely that people are going to take action because they can earn a little some little money to buy things for themselves. All right, so it's a win-win. You earn money for them taking action, and they can also earn money on doing surveys for this platform. And the most essential thing is that this is free. Okay, they don't need to pay any money for doing survey. They just need to sign up, give their email address, and they can start getting paid surveys. All right, that is it. And after that one, we're just going to get the link. Like I said, I will just the link will look something like this. All right, so we want to come to our post, want to leave the link here, but not only the link, you can feel free and copy this for your own use. Okay, you can leave it and use it how I'll write it here, or you can also twist it to your own taste. Okay, how you will like it. So I just copy this and then take it to my post. Yeah guys, the post is going to be looking like this, and then we can go ahead and publish this post. All right, and after publishing this post, what we then need later is only the URL for this post. Okay, we're going to come to our Facebook post and we will take the URL of the Facebook post. Okay, then we go back to like for like. All right, so then we just go here and click on shares. Okay, we want to share this on Facebook. I want to get like for it, and in this way we want to get people to take action on this. Okay, so we now go to Facebook shares and we now click on it. Okay, so we see here, this is where we can insert our Facebook URL from the post we've posted on Facebook. We're going to copy the URL and we're going to paste it here. All right, as you see, we have 9 credits here. Okay, this is the credits that we are going to pay for someone who reshare this post. Okay, so by resharing this post, it means many people are going to be seeing this post, either this person's friend that's going to share it, and we have more possibility that people are going to take actions. Okay, so this is where we're going to paste the link of our post, of our Facebook post. Okay, and we have to make sure that we have credit every time on our like for like platform, because if we don't have any credit, it means we can't post any post like that again. Okay, as you see, every time your content get liked, followed, viewed, subscribed, plus, you will lose credit. It means when somebody likes your post, then your credit will go for that. Okay, so to get more credit, all you need to do is that normally you can also buy credit, but this method I'm showing you, because it is free method I'm showing you, and this is how you can also do it for free. All you just need to do is to come here to social media exchange. Okay, and go click on Instagram. There are many things you can do. You can also like Facebook videos, you can subscribe, you can also comment for that and get credit for it. Okay, you can also view YouTube videos and get credit for it, or Twitter followers, and so on. You can feel free and copy this post, take it for your own use. Okay, you can leave it like this, or you can also, if you like, you can change it and twist it around to your own taste. Okay, so this is it guys. Once again, let me just make a summary of everything what we've done today. We need a Facebook account. So when we have a Facebook, we can now go to a platform like affplus.com and get cost per action offers. And when we get the link from these offers, I want to make a Facebook post, okay, that looks like this. All right, and then insert the link of our cost per action offer into it. All right, and after then we post it. And after posting, we're going to take the URL of this post and come to like for likes. Okay, and we're going to share our post. We're going to come here and share our post. So we come to like for like and post our Facebook post URL here. All right, we're going to post it here, paste it here, and when somebody reshare this our post, okay, then we're going to have chance to get more viewer to our post. post, and more viewer means we have more opportunity to earn money, because when the viewer take action and sign up for the surveys that we've posted, for the offer that we'll post, because it's just a cost per action, we don't need to sell anything. So when people click the link and sign up for the offer, we are going to get paid for it. I hope you get value on this video, and if you've done, please smash that like button. This is what will make me know that you people get more value on this video and you will really enjoying it, okay? And I really appreciate that, okay? When you have any question, just feel free to leave comment below, okay? I will go through it myself and I will reply to your comment as fast as possible, okay? If you've not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and anytime when I make video like this, you will be the first one to get notified, all right? Because I do create every day now new strategies and method to earn money on the internet. Make sure you subscribe, and I really appreciate that. With all this method I'm showing you, you can only earn some $100s on this, okay? But you need to take action. You need to be doing it constantly, and this is my word for you guys. You just need to be consistent, all right? If you want to succeed online, you need to be really consistent and to be devoted, all right? It is not a get rich quick method. You just need to be consistent and be doing it every time, okay? But if you want me to show you the way how I get almost 6 figures every week, make sure you check my first link in the description. And I'm also doing a giveaway at this moment, all right? Like some other people have not. If you've not heard of it, I am doing a $10 giveaway to 10 different people, okay? So make sure you join the contest. You will see on the screen what you need to do to join this contest. I will leave 2 videos on the screen. They are all about showing you other methods to make money online. So make sure you watch this video, and I hope you will enjoy it, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this.